Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your order ID on Amazon. Whether you need to track a package, contact customer support, or return an item, knowing where to locate this information quickly can save you a lot of time and hassle. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Returns and Orders option. Click on it to proceed. This section is where Amazon stores all your purchase history and order details in one convenient location. Now, while I don't have any current orders to show you at the moment, I'll walk you through what you would see next. Once you're on the Returns and Orders page, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all your past and current orders. Each entry in this list will display key details about your purchase, including the order date, the name of the item you ordered, and the current status of your delivery. This makes it easy to quickly scan through and identify the specific order you're looking for. When you locate the order you need information about, look over to the right panel next to that order entry. This is where Amazon displays your order number. The order number is typically a combination of numbers and dashes, and it serves as the unique identifier for that specific purchase. You can use this number when communicating with customer service, tracking your shipment through third-party carriers, or initiating a return or refund. Having quick access to your order ID is essential for managing your Amazon purchases efficiently, especially if you're a frequent shopper or need to handle multiple orders at once. This simple process ensures you can always retrieve the information you need without digging through confirmation emails or searching endlessly through your account. And there you have it. That's how you quickly find your order ID on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.